Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the Smoky Halo Eye Glam. Very easy. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's go on with the tutorial. So I already moisturized the face with the Clinique Dramatic Different Moisturizing Gel, and then I'll be priming my face with the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer before applying any foundation. For my foundation, I'll be using my NYX Cosmetics Total Control Liquid Foundation. Guys, I am so hooked on this stuff because it's so full coverage yet so lightweight on the skin. I also think the applicator for it is so freaking cool because you can definitely control how much product you want to place on your skin. Then I'll just be blending my foundation with my beauty blender. Then of course, y'all know from my IG pictures that I love the Tarte Shapetape due to the full coverage as well, and I'll be blending the concealer with a beauty blender. Next, I'll be setting the concealer and also my entire face with the Mercier translucent powder. I also love to bake my nose because y'all know that be oily as fuck. Now I'll be using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. I definitely recommend this primer if you guys want your eyeshadow to last all day or all night long. Then I'll just be buffing the eyeshadow primer with a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna use the shade Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette and placing that color on my brow bone and putting whatever's left on your brush on the eyelid. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using Orange Soda from ABH as my transition shade using my Morphe R40 brush. Then I'll be using Burnt Orange also from ABH while using the same brush. To add more depth, I'll be using Morocco also from ABH while using the Morphe M518 brush. Then using any black eyeshadow you have, place it, oh, that's too much, alright girl, then placing it on your inner and outer corner and then buffing it out with any blending brush. I recommend adding this eyeshadow a little at a time just because it can get a little messy and it's easier to add on rather than taking off, you feel me? Then we're going to be cutting the middle of the crease with any concealer you have. Then I'll be using Glow Getter from the Nicole Guerriero and ABH Glow Kit and placing that shade on top of the concealer on your lid. Then for the bottom eyeshadow, I'll be placing the black eyeshadow we used earlier and buffing it out with a pencil brush. And then place a black liner on your waterline and buffing it out with also the same pencil brush to make it look more smoky. Then to bronze up the face, I'll be using my Holy Grail Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced while using the Morphe R1 brush. Then I'll be contouring the nose with the same bronzer using the Morphe E13 brush and the Sigma E55 brush. I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. Then for blush, I'll be using MAC in the shade Mocha with any powder brush you have. Then to set the face, I'll be using my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. Then of course for highlight, I love using the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collection in the color Fuego. I'm sorry, but I think this one is already out of stock since it's limited edition, but you can use any highlighter you have. Lastly, for the lips, I'll be using my iluvsarahii and Colourpop collection in the shade 951. I also love using an eyeliner brush. I'm using the Sigma E05 brush just to clean out the edges and making it look clean, I guess, you know? Then I'll be setting my face one last time with the same setting spray. So that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you liked it. I'll be posting up more videos. Happy New Year, guys.